Hey guys, welcome. This is how to make your Valorant tracker private. So guys, from here on the tracker.gg, when you connect your Valorant, you should be able to have it on public right away. So just simply select Valorant on the tracker.gg, and from here, this is my profile. So this one is currently public. So people can go ahead and search for my name, and they should be able to be redirected to this account over here. Now to make this one private, just simply go scroll down into your profile, and you will have an option over here, disable Valorant profile. And after that, as you can see, you will have an option or question that if you want to continue, just simply select revoke access. And right after that, guys, from here, you should be able to see your account is now private, as you can see over here. And that's simply about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.